Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we keep you updated on everything happening in the world of electric vehicles. This week has been packed with exciting developments, from Tesla's growing Supercharger network to Rivian's first deliveries and major government investments in EV infrastructure. Let's jump right in and break it all down. First, let's start with Tesla. Tesla continues to lead the charge, literally, by expanding its Supercharger network globally. This week, new Supercharger stations were announced in Europe and Asia. These stations cover high-traffic areas, making long-distance travel easier. Tesla drivers now have more fast, reliable charging options, reducing range anxiety. Next up is Rivian, a formidable competitor in the electric vehicle space. This week, Rivian delivered its first batch of electric pickup trucks. The R1T, Rivian's flagship, is finally hitting the roads with positive reviews. It offers up to 300 miles on a single charge and advanced off-road capabilities. Rivian's rollout marks a new era for electric trucks. It will be interesting to see how they stack up against Tesla and Ford. Now let's talk about infrastructure, something that's just as crucial as the vehicles themselves. This week, both the United States and European Union announced significant new investments in electric vehicle infrastructure. These investments include thousands of new charging stations across highways, urban areas, and rural regions, making it easier for drivers to find a place to charge. The goal is to create a comprehensive charging network supporting the rapid growth of electric vehicles. Tesla wasn't done making headlines this week, though. The company also rolled out a significant update to its full self-driving, or FSD software. This update focuses on improving the system's performance in complex urban environments, making it safer and more reliable. With these enhancements, Tesla vehicles can navigate city streets with greater ease, handling everything from stop-and-go traffic to tricky intersections. While fully autonomous driving is still on the horizon, this update represents a major step forward and reinforces Tesla's position as a leader in the development of autonomous driving technology. And finally, let's not forget about the advancements in battery technology that were announced this week. A number of companies unveiled new battery designs that promise to increase the energy density of EV batteries, which could lead to longer driving ranges and faster charging times. These innovations are crucial for the future of electric vehicles, as they address some of the biggest concerns for potential buyers: range and charging speed. If these new technologies live up to their promise, we could soon see electric vehicles that can travel further on a single charge and take less time to recharge, making them even more appealing to consumers. So, there you have it, a quick look at the biggest stories in the electric vehicle world this week. From Tesla's growing network to Rivian's exciting debut, it's clear that the EV revolution is in full swing, and there's plenty more to come. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and deep dives into the world of electric vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.